Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the logo or the photo of for active income. You just at the center there, you just push on active income. It's above, will be above this video. So and this is to do with the print on demand business. You put logos and slogans on your caps, hoodies, t-shirts, jackets, and mugs. You know, anything else you can think of, right? So yeah, and this is at Printful, which is the company I recommend, because they let you start for free, and plus they train you as well. They've got training on their site. All right. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay. So let's see what we can come up with here. All right. And I've made a mistake again, so that's going to come up in a minute. So yeah, here I've already come up with one already with, you know. So I'll start right now. So this is the first one. Whoops. See, this is one that's always, that is the very, very true. With active income, you must be present, and that's a fact. You do. It's a fact. You've got to be there. See, with active income, you must be there. You know, or be present. Be there. You know, that's it. You got to put your body on the line. You got to be there. If you're not, you don't get paid. You must be there. I could put there. There we go. You must be there, right? That's the first one. With active income, you must be there. You know, with it, you know, I got others as well. That leads to something else, right? With you know, with active income, you you work for hours. You work hourly. In actual fact, with active income, I'll change that because you get paid hourly. Actually, I'll just do that. Let me see. And another one. See, I'm doing this right in front of you, right? I mean, how hard can it be? But I know this. See, I've got a lot of knowledge. I've read a lot of books, so that's what I'm doing. So it's really not that hard for me, right? With active or with on active income, right? You get paid. You uh you are paid an hourly rate. Yeah. Okay, we just better to be capital letters and hourly rate. You see, this is the thing about this, right? I'm only teaching you some stuff, but this is all true. Hourly rate, you know, that's what happens. You know, you're limited by it. because there's only 24 hours in a day, and that's it. You're really limited by it. You know, you can only do 24 hours a day, and you can't do 24 hours a day because you got to sleep. See, you got to sleep, and that's a health thing. That's a health issue, and if you don't, you know, people who, you know, in China, I mean, who've worked for 36, 40 hours straight and have kept on doing that, right, have ended up dead because their teeth sleep deprived, and it's not healthy. It's as simple as that. And you know, they've died because of that. I know. Even in my country, right, there was a doctor that did that, and at Middlemore, you know, my country in New Zealand, right, and he was stupid enough to do this, right, and it killed him as well because he was stupid, right. You've got to have enough rest, so you need 8 hours rest at least every night. So why? You need REM sleep. You know, you've got to get that REM sleep. If you don't, well, you know, you're just tired all the time and ratty, and you know. So this is important. So here's another three that I've come up with. With active income, you must be there. That's right. You got to be present. You got to turn up. You know, to get to get the money. Otherwise, you don't get nothing. You see. With active income, you work hourly. That's right. You're on an hourly rate. You see. On active income, you are paid an hourly rate. See. You are paid by the hour. You see. You're paid by the hour. See, that's another one. On active income, you are paid. So I'll change that by the hour. See. These are all true, you see. Right? And they're very, this is very limiting, right? Very limiting indeed, and it's not very secure either. You know, as most people have found out as a result of COVID-19, they've found that out. They've found that truth out, haven't they, eh? Yeah, they've really found that truth out. It's just the way, this is how it's always been. But, you know, most people are, you know, indoctrinated and believe that this is the way to get money. Well, it is one of the easiest ways, but it's not secure. And you are locked in. This is how you waste your life. That's what you do, right? And this is all going on your caps, your hoodies, your t-shirts, your jackets, and your mugs, right? And I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you what I mean here. See, here we go. There's the girl there. This is a Printful .com. So, your design here. See, that's what it says there, right? Your design here. Okay. And this is, you know, you can join this for free. You know, so, and that's on a hoodie there. See, so she's got a hoodie on, and there it is there. Your design here. So that's that. And I can show you something else too. And there's my account. See, this is my account, right? And these are the best selling items here. Right, so there's t-shirts, caps, mugs, and there's another one, a printful, what is it? An enhanced matte paper poster. So that's the other one. So yeah, well, here's my account. There's the Printful challenge, and you get points for that, right? And here over here, you know, you've got your you see, they've gone through the things that you have to do. With me, I've done the two things. Create a product template. So you see, that's my next step, right? But you know, I'm doing something else. You see, so this is not a video, which is what I said on the no, it's not a video. It's the Printful Academy. You see, so you go through all these challenges. You can gain points. See, they're here. See, so all them all here, and then you take care of billing, order, samples, and something like that. You and then you've got your fashion guides, you've got Printful Academy, and you've got product templates. So this is how this works. How to start a print on demand business for beginners. So, and it's got it all here. Right? They teach you exactly. They train you. See, so they want you to succeed. See, yeah. Well, that's how that works. And then, you know, let's go back to our what we were doing. Yeah, and you put these on your caps and on your t-shirts, and you know, and on the mugs, and on anything else you can think of, right? This is what you do, and this is what this is about. right? This is why I've done this, and I did this right in front of you, so you saw me do it. Yeah. So if you like this video, smash like button. If you want to see more, click the notification and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and thank you for watching. This is the second one in the series I've showed you on active income. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.